how to operate the Sat Nav. First of all, from any screen, select navigation. You've got destination in the bottom there and settings here. Now each of these 4 buttons around the circular center button correspond to the instructions in the corners of the screen. So we want a destination there. It's even lit up to give you an indicator. We need, here we go, scroll up to town or postcode, click on that. It gives you this thumb wheel. Now we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P. R. From there we have to change to numbers. Now again, in the corner of the screen you've got 0 to 9, so you've got to click this corresponding button here. So 0 to 9, so we are PR5 4, and then it's gone straight back to letters, which is good. It's defaulted to letters. J S. So that's Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and we just turn that down to centre. Start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
That's it, and it's a great system in the Audi as well. It shows you your next turn, when it is, and you can also see here on the dash it's telling me there to perform a U-turn, basically because I'm sat on the forecourt, but it's a great system.